Hi, so in this tutorial, I will show you how to create fake push in camera movement in Premiere Pro. So let's start without any delay. First drag your video on timeline. Now set your time ruler on starting of the clip. Then go to the effect controls and click on this 2 stopwatch icon. Next, set your time ruler on end of the clip. Then go to the effect controls and increase the scale and adjust the position. And it's done easily. And if you're new on this channel, then do subscribe for more easy tutorials.